So check it out. Thought I'd share this little tip with you on how to repair worn pickup shoes on especially the pre-war motors, but you could also use it for the post-war motor where the wearing from the center rail has started to show through. And the one thing that you can easily do is first buff the pickup shoe so it's nice and shiny. I use a buffing wheel. See if I've got one right here. I buy these from eBay by the gross, and that'll buff that nice and shiny. And then just put a bead of solder and fill in the area that needs to be filled in, and then just sand it smooth, and it'll run really good. I've been running this locomotive now for the last few days and it hasn't shown any signs of wear. Let me see if I can get it hooked up here without any trouble. So we'll take it for a little spin. As you can see, it runs nice and smooth. It's an easy way to repair a worn pickup shoe. You can use it also, this method, on any Marx car, like the Searchlight cars or passenger cars that have those wiper pickups. You get a lot more life out of them. They're not cheap to replace, so. And as I've said, I've been running this locomotive now for the last few days, and I've been running it pretty hard, and it hasn't shown any signs of wear on the solder. And even if it does, just resolder it. Also, I've been kind of monkeying around. I'll back this up out of the way. And going to Walmart and finding little flat car loads again. I found, let's see if I can back my train up here slowly. Now I've got Ices and Pop-Tarts and SpaghettiOs and Rice Krispies, certainly Coca-Cola, Spam. I think I've seen Pepsi there too. So I've been monkeying with a few little projects. And here's a Marx mold depressed center flat car that I turned into a Searchlight car. I put a black Marx Searchlight on it, and so decided to paint the gray that I took off another Searchlight car, the generator, and I painted it black. And one more thing, for those beautiful Southern Pacific units, thought I ought to make them a matching caboose, and I put the ladders on the front and the rear, and I had to, this one is one of the later ones that the smokestack was missing, and so I put a smokestack in there. I sanded this area off and then drilled a hole for a replacement one. And I buy my parts from Robert Grossman. It's partsformarx.com, I think, is the proper address for that. So we'll take that around for a spin here. We'll get it looking right. Just some new offerings from Walmart that are kind of cool. I like looking for flat car loads, anything different. And these are pretty cool. And I use Fun Tack to hold them down. All right, so thanks for watching. God bless, and never forget, Jesus is Lord.